Hey guys, Adam here. Look, we've got an absolutely killer explainer for you today. We're diving into a masterclass on modern wealth creation, straight from the folks over at InvestorCo. To keep things visual, we're actually going to follow this little stickman guy on a journey to break down what we call the Future Millionaires Toolkit. We're talking about 4 specific AI apps that are literally engineering the next wave of millionaires, right here in the US and all over the world. All right, grab your notepads and let's just jump right in.
Okay, let's dive into this, because honestly, right now, there are really only 2 paths on the internet. Path A, you're the passive scroller. You know the drill, just trapped in that endless loop, consuming content and wasting hours online. But then there's Path B, becoming the active creator. See, while most people just let the internet use them, these future millionaires, our stickman friend over here on the right, they're leveraging these incredible AI tools to build income, save a ton of time, and just grow exponentially faster. It's a total mindset shift, guys. You gotta go from consumer to producer.
Now, think about this current year, 2026. The whole landscape is completely shifted. Like, we are way past the phase of AI just being some neat little parlor trick, right? In 2026, AI has officially become the absolute biggest financial advantage you can have on the internet, period. And the window to be an early adopter? Yeah, it's closing fast. If you aren't integrating these tools into your workflow today, you're literally competing against automated systems that never sleep, they never slow down, and they never ever stop generating assets.
So let's pop open this ultimate toolkit. App number 1 is, of course, ChatGPT. Think of this as your instant ideation engine. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why it's so powerful. Look, in the past, coming up with a solid strategy meant what? Days of just staring at a blank screen? Now, you just type a quick prompt, and this tireless digital brain takes the wheel. In mere minutes, you're churning out vital assets, business ideas, full video content scripts, entire marketing plans, super deep investing research, professional emails, and even blueprints for your next side hustle. It completely wipes out that initial creation bottleneck, so you can just focus strictly on execution.
All right, once you've got those brilliant ideas mapped out, we move right along to app number 2, Canva AI, which handles your high-level visual presentation.
Because here's the thing, you might have an absolute masterpiece of a script from ChatGPT, but if your visual presentation looks like some 1990s MS Paint nightmare, yeah, nobody is gonna stop and listen. Canva AI entirely bridges that talent gap. Seriously, you don't need to hire some overpriced design agency anymore. Even if you're a complete beginner with 0 skills, you can take those raw, kind of ugly concepts and instantly generate sleek, professional, high-converting thumbnails and social posts. It basically just democratizes premium design for everyone.
Moving to the third tool in our arsenal, we have CapCut AI. This is your automated engine for video editing. Look, we're living in the era of short-form, viral energy, right? But let's be real. Manually editing those fast-paced, high-retention videos is just notoriously tedious. It takes forever. CapCut AI steps in and just handles all that grueling heavy lifting for you. It chops your video automatically, slaps on dynamic subtitles instantly to grab people's attention, and throws in these incredibly seamless transitions. This AI actually understands viral pacing, so it helps creators post so much faster, letting you scale your output at lightning speed without burning out. You can literally save dozens of hours a week here. And finally, that brings us to app number 4, ElevenLabs, for hyper-realistic AI voices.
Guys, this right here is the driving force behind the massive wave of faceless content creation we're seeing everywhere. Forget about that clunky robotic audio from a few years ago. ElevenLabs creates AI voices that are so realistic, they're practically indistinguishable from actual human inflection. You can literally build highly profitable YouTube empires without ever stepping in front of a camera or even recording a single word yourself. You just plug in that script you got from ChatGPT and boom, you instantly have a professional-grade voiceover ready to roll. It is for sure the ultimate tool for rapidly scaling anonymity into actual wealth.
Okay, let's move to and see how this builds, because the real magic, it isn't just in using one of these apps by itself. It's about stacking them into one automated business ecosystem. Check this out. Step 1, you get your ideas and scripts with ChatGPT. Step 2, you handle the design and thumbnails using Canva AI. Step 3, you generate those realistic voices through ElevenLabs.
And step 4, you throw it all together for auto editing with CapCut AI. These 4 apps connect to form this perfect, seamless digital assembly line, transforming a single person sitting in their bedroom into a massive, highly efficient media company.
Same internet, different future. Man, I really want to slow down for a second and just let that sink in. It's a pretty profound realization. Think about it. Every single person watching this explainer has access to the exact same web platforms and the exact same AI tools. The internet is really just a mirror, you know? It gives you exactly what you ask of it. So the tools you choose to engage with today are absolutely going to dictate your financial trajectory tomorrow.
So, the crucial point is this. AI isn't going to just automatically make you rich because you downloaded some app to your phone. It's not a magic lottery ticket, right? But the people who use AI correctly, the ones who stack these tools into these relentless workflows, they're going to have a massive, almost unfair advantage. It all comes down to execution. It's about taking this crazy leverage that these tools give us and actively applying it to build real, tangible income streams.
Because at the end of the day, that upward trajectory, it's reserved for the action takers. Now, to make sure you stay ahead of the curve, you absolutely need to follow InvestorCo for more of these vital AI tools, investing strategies, and the smart money content you need to navigate this wild new landscape. But I want to leave you with one final question to chew on. If your competition is out there using these 4 exact tools to automate a 40-hour work week into just 4 hours, where does that leave you by 2026 if you decide to do nothing?
Hey everyone, how are you? I'm fine. I am new on YouTube. Please support me on YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I need your support. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.